Hi Beanbeauties, how are you doing today? All right, today's video is going to be randoms, and I don't know what's in it. I don't know what's in it. This right here is from eBay, and it's a plush. So I will maybe not be putting prices on here. I just want to get some of this stuff up because some of this is things I bought for decor items and that I just had not opened up. I can tell you when I purchased them. This was purchased eBay, or this is when it was mailed. So it was mailed February the 15th, 2024. So this is a Vera Bradley bear. Yay! This totally was inspired by Tara's boutique. I didn't know that they had Vera Bradley bears, and when I saw hers, found it out, I was like, oh, I gotta have one. So I found one. Yay! So he looks like, you know, he's kind of red, which is my power color. Has a little bit of, looks like denim. He has does he have bees? I think he has bumblebees all over him. Isn't he cute? So we'll put him here for now. I don't think you can see him, but that's okay. Here's another item from eBay. This item was mailed October the 23rd, 2023. Whoops. Let's see. Oh, it just so happens to be, oh, you know, they were in the same area, so I had like my like items together. So it's a Vera Bradley item. So, oh, it matches that. Oh, it matches that purse that I gave to Ivana. I had a bag, and so I had bought this to go with that. Oh, if I would have known, I would have sent it with Ivana. And oh, they sent me a peppermint. Said thank you for your purchase. I wonder if it's still good. So here is just the Vera Bradley little bag, coin purse. Bottom, top. Here's the inside. Oh, the inside pattern is just a silk blue. I like that. It's pretty. Okay, I will definitely use this. I love my Vera Bradley's SLGs. They're my favorite. Okay, this was purchased a long time ago. This was mailed February the 28th, 2024. This is from Marc Jacobs, and it is the collab that he did with the lipstick with Pat McGrath, which I don't have a Pat McGrath lipstick, so I thought this would be a perfect time to get it. And you know, it's just been since February, you know. It's been in the house. It can't be too messed up. That's cute. Here it goes. So I'm a little bit behind the times. Whoops. Here's a little, oh, cutie. Okay, here's I'm trying to see what it says. Oh, okay, it has the emblem for Pat right there. Here's the inside information. Here's the back. Here's what the box looks like on the inside. And look at that. So this is Pat McGrath's, from what I understand, is her lips is what is her thingy. Her, what's it called? Like her logo. And then of course, you know, this is all what's familiar to Marc Jacobs. Here is, it's a very pretty color. Let's see. I don't know if I can see what the color is. Does it have it on the box? Pat McGrath Labs. Rouge something right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. This is the receipt for it. Let's see. It was only $39. So as lipsticks, designer lipsticks goes, it's a good price. So yeah, I purchased it February the 22nd, 2024, and it was shipped the 28th, right, of 2024, February. It was $39. Yeah, $39. Shipping and handling was $10.76. Tax was $323, grand total of $52.99. Ouch, that hurts a little bit, but what you gonna do? That shipping is just incredibly high right now. It's crazy. I have lipstick on. Ooh. Ooh, wow. Wow. I like that. This is why I don't put lipstick on in front of y'all, because I'm a mess. I'm a mess. Very cute. Marc Jacobs lipstick. Combination with Pat McGrath. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.